Hello, this is Muhammad Usman and welcome to Usman Programming Tutorial. This is the third tutorial of Windows command line interface. In this tutorial we will learn how we can copy the files from one folder to other and how we can move the file from one folder to other. So start your CMD. This is Muhammad Usman folder. Now I want to go to the desktop. For that I need to use the cd command. So I am in desktop folder. Now I want to see the content of my folder. So this is my content. Only one folder is there in the desktop, which is testcmd. So in testcmd folder I have created two more folders, folder 1 and folder 2. Folder 1 contains the 5 text file. These are the 5 text file which is in folder 1 and the folder 2 is empty. If I want to move the 1.txt file to my folder 2, then I have to write the command as copy command. Copy. To clear the screen of CMD, I can use cls command. So now copy. What is the name of the folder, which is folder 1 backslash. Now which file I want to copy? 1.txt. Then where you want to place the copy of this 1.txt file? In folder 2. So write folder 2 backslash. Now my one file is copied. If I want to see folder 2, then here dir, here is my 1.txt file exists. So if you want to copy all the txt file in from your folder 1 to folder 2, then you have to write the command as .txt, static.txt. Static means all the files which have the extension .txt and you want to copy that files to folder 2. So I have to go back one step, or otherwise I need to change my path. So now I give the same command. Now here all my files are copying, but it asks me for the overwrite option because my 1.txt file already exists in folder 2. So I need to give the option yes, then it will copy all the files to my folder 2 with the extension .txt. If there are more files with the other extension as well, then I need to change the extension simply. Now I want to move my file from folder 2 to folder 1. Then I simply need to replace this copy with the move command. So this is how I can move my files from one folder to other. Similarly here I'm using static.txt. It means I'm using all the files with the extension .txt. I want to move them. So here I just have to give them an option whether I want to overwrite all the files or not. For that I need to give yes. So there are multiple files we need to be overwrite for. So if I'm just giving yes, it means it will taking the answer for one file. If I'm giving all, it means it will considering my option for all the options. So this is completely moved my all files. So I need to check it from here. Now my folder 1 must not contain anything. So go to folder 1. There is nothing in my folder 1 and all the files are moved from folder 1 to folder 2. So check into folder 2 and there you are. So here my 5 files are here. So this is how we can copy the content and copy the files from one folder to other. Thank you. I hope it will help you.